Are you living in a house that you hate because you have a very low mortgage interest rate?
I know a lot of people are. I talk to them day after day, and they're saying, "Oh, Kelly, I have a 2.5, 3% interest rate, so I'm just going to stay here, even though I don't like this house." And that's not a good strategy. A good house hack that our clients are using is that they're leveraging that property as an investment property, renting it out, and then going to pursue their dream house.
That makes great sense because a lot of people gained a lot of equity over COVID, and now they're smart enough to say, I can put that money to use for me, and I can still move into the house that I want to get into.
Yes, and guess what? Rents went up through the roof during those COVID years and beyond. So we have record high rental rates, we have record high equity in properties. This is a great hack.
I would definitely take advantage of it. If you want more information on how to utilize this, give us a call or contact us at kjacksellsdmv.com.
Do not do that. Do not do that, old school man. Ain't nobody gonna go to our website and contact us.
For more information or other house hacks, DM us. We'd be happy to share.